most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together, we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today, we're going to talk about the mother of all massage guns.
Is that
for
like the mother
athletes.
load?
The mother load. You bet.
Oh,
You
yes.
hit the mother load. This is our most powerful gun. Now, if you have, it's a massage gun. If you have a slight build or even an average build, you probably would do fine with this one, which is the C2, right? I believe.
Yeah,
C2.
C2 model.
Yep. There's a U2 and there's a Q2.
R2D2.
Yeah. This is a handheld one. If you're have a slighter build, if you're a smaller person,
Thin,
thin,
older.
yeah, this will probably be enough for you.
Yep.
But if you're an athlete and you're muscular, or if you're a big person, a larger person, this is the gun for you.
Yeah.
And I'm not a large person, but I like this one because it really gets. I like pain, and it really gets into those sore muscles.
They have names for people like that, Bob.
Yeah, I know they do. I think they're sadist, I believe.
Yeah, if you're the kind of person, more power, better, bigger, you're beefy, you want something, and some people, may want that one and a small one for their someone else at home.
Significant other.
Or for different parts of your body. This would not be good probably for your hand.
Right.
But, for your legs, your hips,
Your back.
Shoulders to a degree. If you've got to be a bigger person around the
beefy.
shoulders. Yeah.
Now-
But there's a different head that.
Yeah,
that
there's
will-
a different head. I haven't seen this on any other massage gun. Maybe there's it out there. I don't know. This is metal,
Yep.
and it actually screws on.
Yes.
And I didn't think it would be any different, but it does seem to penetrate more, Brad.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's like it's. It
This
seems
really
like
goes in.
It certainly looks neat, that's for sure. But
Yeah.
it feels better. Here are the other heads that come with this one. There's the field goal head, which is probably the one that would be used the least out of all of them. But it has some particular areas that it does work well for. And here's one that is soft and is air cushion.
Yeah, it's nice. You can go right over bone.
Yeah.
It really doesn't bother you.
I mean, we don't recommend you massage your bone, but if you
can
get
go close to the bone.
yeah,
And,
and then the round one. This one is really nice for coming at different angles.
and also getting larger muscles, I think, because it's covers a large area.
Yeah, and now the rest of these, they're interference fit and friction
Yeah.
fit. So they just you do it, Bob. It's
Sure.
easier for you. Just push it in, and it works really well. They stay in nicely.
Now with all these, it's got 5 speeds, and I would start off with the lowest speed, and even maybe the first day stay on the lowest speed,
Yeah.
and then eventually you can work up to the highest speed.
Yeah, and you know darn well if we're talking
baby.
to a man, they're going for the highest
That's
speed
it.
right away. That's what I do. But anyways, we don't recommend it. Then we've got the bullet one. If you really want to get into
Like trigger points.
a trigger point, a muscle that you really got to get in there, this will do the trick.
Yeah, I use that one myself actually on my lower calf.
Oh, really?
But this one you can heat it up,
Yeah.
and you can also cool it down.
Yeah, I
And-
wouldn't use a torch to heat it up. Maybe
Oh,
just
yeah,
put
yeah.
in some warm water or some boiling
Yeah, I'm
water.
not sure how you would heat it up. You can't put it in a microwave.
No, I'm thinking water is the best way to do it. I
Sure.
mean,
Yeah, I don't want it too warm. Yeah,
but you could put it in the freezer,
yeah,
to
yeah.
cool it down. That would work really well.
But I'm not really a cold massage person.
And the other thing is either way, after about 30 seconds to a minute, I think that temperature change will, it's going to cool off or heat up to whatever your skin is.
I
so.
think the gun shuts off after about 12 minutes.
just to
just
protect itself.
Protect it from overheating.
Yeah.
And you got to hold the button a little bit to get it to start. It doesn't start right away. A little bit. You got to hold it like 2 seconds, 3 seconds. And but if you're an athlete and you want to use this for prior to working out or even after for muscle recovery,
Yes.
this is the baby for you.
That's right. Enjoy with the massage gun. I should have 2. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, good Lord.
I'm feeling strong today, Bob.
All right.
Let's carry on.
Thanks for watching.